Cars.co.za.
With budget insurance, there's no back and forth. You claim, we pay.
Hello. Today's a big day. This is the first time I'm drag racing one of my own cars. This is my C63 2009 W204. Unless you're watching from my insurance company, in which case this car just looks a lot like mine. Borrowed it from a friend. Anyway, new versus old. Big V8 versus 2 liter. All-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. This is a question that needs to be answered. So today I'm racing my esteemed race ace colleague Ashley Oldfield in the latest A45 AMG. That is the street style edition, 1.4 million stock. That unit is spec'd to 1.7 million rand. I paid quite a lot less for this car. In fact, when this car came out, it cost $599 actually, 2009. So let me take you through what's happening here. The A45 is lighter, 1730 kgs here, 1605 in there, about 120 kg difference. Ash is lighter, don't know by how much, but it probably counts. Ash is younger, so is his car. I've really put myself in a pretty tricky situation here. Obviously all-wheel drive with launch control. I've driven that car, it's very fast. The only thing I've really got going for me here is I have a massive engine. All the power is at the top, so that's something to consider. But 336 kilowatts, 600 newtons in here, 310, 500 in there.
Right, let me tell you a little bit about my A45 AMG S 4MATIC. This is the facelifted version. Now, I've done a few launch control starts, just getting familiar with the car, and I've got to tell you, this is violent, abrupt. It's one of the best launch control systems I think I've ever used. It's just immediate. I don't think Ciro has a chance here purely because as soon as he breaks traction, I will be long away, and there's no chance of not breaking traction on that car. That's it, really. The race is a foregone conclusion, but this thing is incredibly fast off the line, like rocket ship fast. Probably one of the fastest cars in the world right now off the mark, probably to like 50 or 60 k's an hour. There's nothing faster, and like I can feel the shifts through this second, third, fourth are like immediate. It is absolutely incredible.
We're going to do a standing start and a rolling race. I'm way more optimistic about the rolling race because this morning I tried to figure out the best way to launch this car. So the C63 was known for being very tail happy. And I'm not kidding, this car does not get full traction until the bridge, which is about 200 meters down the drag strip. Ash.
Bonjour.
What do you think my chances are here?
If I run out of fuel, you're in with a shot.
So not good then.
Look, there's still a chance.
Okay, I'm heavier, my car's heavier. Oh wait, hang on, I'm gonna turn the aircon off because I'd rather bake and win than be cool and lose. That should help.
I'll tell you what, I'll keep my aircon on then.
Oh, thanks man, that's so kind of you.
I don't think there's a way I can lose this race, really.
Jeez, like my heart is pumping here.
Stretch this way, stretch that way.
This is like, there's so much at stake here. I don't want to lose and I don't want to bin my own car. But this thing is wild. Like Jeremy Clarkson said, this is not a car, this is an animal. And he was so right. Oh, why did I agree to do this? Whose idea was this? All right, guys, I think I'm ready. Let's do this. Right, okay, Zen mode. Feed the power in. Don't stand on the accelerator. Feed the power in. Don't watch Ash. He's gonna off like a frightened meerkat. Run your own race. Concentrate. So I'm doing
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
Oh my, that thing's fast.
Crikey, this thing is fast off the line.
Yes, I minimized my wheel spin. No, he's pulling away.
Ciro's back there somewhere.
He is gone.
And exit at 185, cheapest.
Oh my hat. Brake. Sure, that was exciting. Brakes on here, very good, thank God.
This thing is nuts off the line. So fast. Wow.
Nah, standing start, the Merc has no hope. Sorry, my Merc.
Yeah, this is a good launch control system, hey? Wow.
You know, this car, it feels like you could just do this all day. Like, it's just like, yeah, let's fishtail down the road all afternoon, no problem.
Okay, now to give Ciro a bit more chance, we're going to do a bit of a rolling race here, so up to 40k an hour, then when we hit the line, go. I suspect that thing will still break traction, but I won't. And to be honest, this thing feels properly rapid. Like I don't see how that car can win at any way, even with the rolling race if we did it from like 80 or 100.
Please, can nothing expensive break? Please. No new noises. You know, when you drive older cars, you develop like Batman levels of hearing. Yeah, was that noise there yesterday? Yeah, seems fine.
Alright, gentlemen, start your engines, let's roll off.
Okay, rolling up, trying to stay level with Ciro.
3, 2, 1,
Go!
go!
Yes!
Oh, he's got a bit of a jump on me, I'm coming back.
Yes!
Here we go, coming back.
Come on, old girl!
Oh, it's about the same speed actually.
Manual mode! Oh my god, he's coming back!
And, oh, just across the line.
Yes!
Just beat me there on the rolling.
Woo!
Oh, I think if it had kicked down, might have been better. I didn't get the greatest pull.
Oh, yeah! Yes, man!
Yeah, that was getting tight towards the end, yeah. Nice one.
1-1, the dinosaur keeps up. That was awesome. Choking on my own tire smoke. That was so f***ing cool. I love this car. This is purchase satisfaction. Oh, please don't break. Okay, Ash, do you know how hard it is to launch this thing, dude? Because I have to cross the line in first. But I cross the line at 5,000 RPM, put the hammer down, and the needle just jumps to 7,000, at which point I have to hook second. And it's like, has to be perfectly timed. They've put a GoPro, I have to drive over it. As if I don't have enough to worry about here. Traction control off, aircon off, manual mode. 40 k's an hour across the line in first gear. Hook second. Change it 7,000 each time. That seems to be the sweet spot. Whew, let's see if I can make it 2 for 2 on the rolling race here. Come on, guys. Let's get this done.
Rolling off in manual. Go for second gear.
That's 40. That's 5,000 RPM.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Come on!
Oop! Select 3, select 4.
Ah, that was a bit of a long shift.
Oh, here we go. Now we're pulling away a little bit.
No, he's pulled on me. Ah, 2 car lengths.
Oh. And across the line.
Just had to concentrate there.
Yep. just faster.
This car still broke traction at 40 k's an hour, and when I shifted into second, it broke traction twice. Sorry, shifted into third.
If it makes you feel any better, instead of getting second, I hit the park button on the stalk and it said, please only select park when car is stationary.
Cars.co.za. Are you busy trying to decide between 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, 6 cars, and getting absolutely lost in all of the specs and all of the different pricing? Well, we have an excellent compare tool on our main website and in our app for you to use. It's very detailed, it's very slick and quick and efficient, and I highly recommend it. I use it all the time when I'm doing research for our car shoots. So check it out. We'll put the link in the description below and tell us what you think. Tell us if it helped you out.
Get insurance that pays out faster than the word Archie. Budget, the official insurer of good South Africans.